these inhabited islands are serviced by electricity via a submarine cable from the mainland. And as we come up around the corner here, you can just see a green electrical box up on Mini Machine Island. And that little white sign down by the shoreline tells you that there is in fact a submarine cable directly underneath us. And maybe we shouldn't drop our anchor and chain down there. And on our left, on our port side, we have Smooth Rock Island. Now dead ahead is the northern tip of the Giant's Tomb out there. And to the right of it, to the north, you can see a couple of rock islands out there. And beyond that, that straight line is the horizon. And that is the open water of Georgian Bay. That runs for about 100 miles, 150 kilometers or so in a northwesterly direction up towards the Bruce Peninsula in Tobermory. From there, you can gain access to Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, or turn the corner down into Lake Huron, make your way to Lake Erie, into Lake Ontario, down the St. Lawrence River, and right into the Atlantic Ocean if you like. We're just coming out of the Mini Machine Channel, and we're going to turn the boat in a northerly direction once we get past these two markers up here. And you can see the castle up on the shore there, just off the starboard. At least that's what I call it anyway. That's what my dad told me it was. It's been there quite a long time. And it's kind of a landmark. I've got to admit that this is one of the nicest days that we've had this summer. It's a really nice breeze coming off of Georgian Bay there. And directly ahead of us is Heating Island. And that's a kind of a small island. They've got a little cottage